Shiva walks it in the form of a feather stone. The lingers consist of three sections. The base is the seat of the Brahma and is where in section. The middle is octagonal, the seat of Vishnu, and the upper section is the cylindrical representing Shiva, also known as Rudra. In charms arts, it can have a face, Mukhalinga, a Chisnong, Yatalinga, and also a spears in groups of 5 or 7 linga. In literal meaning, linga is a column which symbolizes for the male principle in universe. Its were placed on a pedestal having a pollution canal is called the yoni, symbol of female principle. The linga has a variety of forms. Charm-specific linga consists of 3 sections. The cylinder is called Ruya Balaga, a symbol of Shiva who stands for the destruction. The octagon is called Vishnu Balaga, a symbol of Vishnu who stands for the preservation. The square is called Brahma Balaga, a symbol of Brahma who stands for the creation. 3 sections are equal in dimension. Whereas yoni is a pollution canal section, which is the pedestal of linga, symbol of females. In further meaning, linga is a symbol of Meru's mythical mountains, where it is the meeting point of the deities. People use this symbol as the symbol language to explain the word principle, such as the major curve of the cross. Between the positive and the negative, humans use linga as a ladder to contact with the word of the deity. When performing the linga ablution, charm people usually cover the linga with a lid, the so-called kosa, which is made of gold or precious metal. These lids are usually cut with Shiva face. During the service, they pour the holy water from the summit of the linga. The holy water will follow out from the ablution canal of yoni. An Indian mythology says that the Shiva linga burned into a huge column of fire, which were unable to destroy all living things in cosmos. To put it out, the god Vishnu has to use a side cover to stop it, whereas the god Brahma used 4 sides one to put it out. In addition, we still see the other kind of the linga, which is called Mukha linga, that means face linga, which refers to the face of the Chamba kings.